Yesterday I saw Defiant Wings posted up. They're doing a yard class challenge, so I decided to try and see what I can come up with while I'm stuck inside a little bit extra time. So I took this old nano arrow, I was calling it. It's a little, I think about 28-inch wingspan, and decided to tear it apart and got myself some electronics to use. All these electronics with batteries, another 35, I think, grams, so only 85, 90 grams, whatever of weight. So I decided to try something new and do one of these KFM airfoils. For the first one, this version 1 that we're doing in this video, I went with a KFM 6 airfoil. I believe for 2, I'm going to try a KFM 4. It's a little simpler design. I went in this online, I put the link down below, but this tool is really handy for finding center of gravity. So I kind of went in and came up with a general size, 460 millimeter wingspan, and then some other measurements in here. It kind of gives an idea of where the center of gravity needs to be. And I started cutting some foam, and this is kind of the KFM 6. You can see the main center section, and then the next section up and below it is 50% of that, and then the third section on the top and bottom is 25% of the full length. And here it is from above. And this is with motor all up, is only 115 grams, so it's real light. And there it is with my radio and goggles. And this morning I actually went and glued on some verticals on the wing tips, so it added up another like 8 millimeters to the wing tips. But took it out in the yard, try and fly it. I think part of the problem that I had is that the elevons aren't quite long enough to get out of the airflow of the 3-layer thick airfoil. So as you can see here, some of the videos, it didn't have quite enough authority. I couldn't pull the nose up enough. I did have a decent amount of roll, I guess, but I just couldn't pitch up to continue to climb, or to, once I did roll a little bit, I couldn't bank, or I couldn't yank, I guess. I could bank, but I couldn't really yank to get a good turn, so didn't really work on this one. You can see my yard is small, and so I'm trying to get something that I can actually fly around in the yard to help with this yard class challenge. So this was my V1 maidens. Look forward to V2 come out in a few days from now. Thanks.